Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on my home screen to learn more about the benefits of my website. So, anyways, last night in the Asian session made another really strong push to the upside. We are sitting at a Fibonacci extension from the weekly time frame, but my wave 3 Fibonacci extension next area for that resistance is the 178.6, which is right around the $3,450 area. So my next big area of resistance for this wave 3, the weekly monthly time frame wave 3, is this 178 right around 3450. Now, that doesn't mean that it possibly may not pull back right here because this could be an area of resistance also. But for me personally, even if it does pull back, I would still be looking for longs in an uptrend, just like I would have been trying to get long here and long there and long down here. We are in a extremely strong uptrend on gold, and it's definitely a wave 3 uptrend. Now, don't be fighting a wave 3 uptrend because wave 3s are the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. And there's really nothing whatsoever on any of the higher time frames telling us that this trend is over. Like I said, our next area of resistance is actually still quite a ways away. So definitely still highly focused on looking for longs at the end of any three-way pullbacks that I perhaps may see on these sort of time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.